What is up, real life traders? I'm here with the man, the myth, the legend, Johnny J. Owens Garco. We're doing a family snowboarding trip here in the high country of Utah, Colville, Utah.
Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. You got to get here.
Got to. April is do something you've never done before month. That's the theme of the month for April. And we got 3 challenges for you. We have a workout challenge, a physical, we have a trading challenge, and we have a life challenge. Life is gonna be super simple. I want you to do something that you've never done before.
Here it is.
Johnny, what's something you've never done before you've always wanted to do?
This is it right here.
Yeah?
This is it. I'm done already.
April challenge complete. Number 2, your trading challenge. I want you to go back trade a different time frame. So maybe a 4-minute chart, maybe a 7-minute chart. Johnny loves the 8-minute chart.
My favorite number.
Go practice a different time frame that you ever practiced before. And then of course your workout challenge. I want you to get at least 1 mile every single day. That's it. 1 mile on your legs every day. Walking or running, doesn't matter to me. But get a mile on your legs, ladies and gentlemen.
Good health, that's what it's all about, man.
Health is your biggest wealth. Ladies and gentlemen, love you guys so much.
Love you guys.
Love life, live life, trade it.
Woohoo!